Welcome to our channel. If you've encountered an issue with a transaction on your PayPal account, don't worry. We're here to guide you through the process of disputing a transaction step by step. Follow these instructions to quickly resolve any discrepancies. 1. Log in to your PayPal account. Start by visiting the PayPal website or opening the PayPal app. Enter your credentials to log into your account. 2. Go to your activity page. Once logged in, navigate to the Activity tab. This will display a list of all your recent transactions. 3. Find the transaction. Scroll through your activity to locate the transaction you wish to dispute. Click on it to view more details. 4. Report an issue. On the Transaction Details page, look for the option that says Report a problem or Resolve a problem. Click on this option to begin the dispute process. 5. Select the reason for dispute. PayPal will present a list of reasons for disputing the transaction. Choose the reason that best describes your issue, whether it's an unauthorized transaction, a transaction that didn't match the description, or an item that was not received. 6. Provide additional details. After selecting a reason, you may be asked to provide more information about the dispute. Be sure to include any relevant details that may help your case, such as communication with the seller or other documentation. 7. Submit your dispute. Once you've filled out all required fields, review the information for accuracy and click Submit. PayPal will then notify you that your dispute has been filed. 8. Monitor your dispute. After submission, you can track the status of your dispute by returning to the Resolution Center in your PayPal account. PayPal will keep you updated via email as they investigate your claim. 9. Follow up if necessary. Stay engaged in the process. If PayPal requests additional information or documentation, respond promptly to avoid any delays in resolving your issue. 10. Thank you for your patience. Disputing a transaction can take some time, so thank you for your patience as PayPal works to address your case. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Your support helps us create more informative content for you.